In this video, we will look at some of the best astronomical telescopes on AliExpress. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5, Celestron Ultima Spotting Scope. The Celestron Ultima 100-266 by 100 mm spotting scope is a high-quality, versatile optical instrument designed for both terrestrial and celestial observations. Celestron's Ultima series offers spotting scopes in 3 sizes: 65 mm, 80 mm, and 100 mm, catering to various needs. Each scope in the Ultima line comes with an eyepiece that provides correct image orientation, making them ideal for a wide range of uses, from bird watching to stargazing. The scopes are fully waterproof, adding to their durability and versatility. The Ultima series provides options for 45-angle viewing or straight-through viewing. Most users prefer the angle view for its ease of use when observing high-altitude subjects like birds or sharing the scope among users of different heights. However, the straight-through models have their advantages, being slightly lighter, brighter, and generally more affordable. Number 4, Beowulf 40070 Astronomical Telescope. The Beowulf 40070 Astronomical Telescope is an excellent entry-level telescope, perfect for children and beginners who are eager to explore the night sky. The Beowulf 40070 is designed to provide clear and detailed views of celestial objects, making it an ideal gift for children interested in astronomy. Its 70 mm objective lens diameter ensures ample light-gathering capability, essential for viewing the moon, stars, and planets. Equipped with fully multi-coated FMC optics, the Beowulf 40070 ensures high-quality, sharp images with minimal chromatic aberration. The telescope comes with 3 eyepieces H20mm, H6 mm, K12 mm, and a 5x Barlow lens, offering a wide range of magnification levels from 20x to an impressive 333x. This versatility allows users to observe a variety of celestial phenomena, from the craters on the moon to distant stars and planets. Number 3, Lauriston Spotting Scope Powerful Telescope. The Lauriston Spotting Scope Powerful Telescope is a versatile and high-performing optical instrument, ideal for a variety of outdoor activities, including birdwatching, nature observation, and stargazing. The Lauriston Spotting Scope is designed to deliver high-definition and high-magnification viewing experiences, making it suitable for a wide range of outdoor applications. With its robust build and advanced optical features, this spotting scope promises clear and detailed observations. High-definition magnification, 25 to 75x magnification, offers a powerful zoom range to bring distant objects into sharp focus. Ideal for bird watching, wildlife observation, and stargazing. Large objective lens, 60 mm diameter, ensures a bright and wide field of view, capturing more light for clearer images, even in low-light conditions. Continuous zoom, 3 magnification levels. Number 2, Tikala 150X Astronomical Telescope. The Tikala 150X Astronomical Telescope is a fantastic choice for both kids and adults who are enthusiastic about exploring the wonders of the night sky. With its excellent quality optics, optimum magnification, portability, and ease of setup, this telescope promises to deliver an enriching stargazing experience for beginners and seasoned astronomers alike. Excellent quality optics. With a 600 mm focal length and an 80 mm aperture, this telescope captures more light, resulting in brighter and clearer images. The multi-fully high transmission coated all-optical lens enhances image brightness and clarity, ensuring stunning views of celestial objects. Optimum magnification, equipped with 3 replaceable high-quality eyepieces 20 mm, 12 mm, 6 mm, and a 3x Barlow lens, this telescope offers versatile magnification options. Users can magnify the moon up to 15 or 150 times. Number 1, 875x Zoom HD Professional Astronomical Telescope. The 875x Zoom HD Professional Astronomical Telescope offers an incredible viewing experience, allowing enthusiasts to explore the vastness of space and observe celestial phenomena with remarkable clarity. Mobile phone holder. Easily connect your mobile phone to capture breathtaking images of the starry sky and share your celestial discoveries with friends and family. Professional binoculars. This portable telescope functions as professional binoculars, allowing for immersive and detailed observations of celestial bodies. Portable monocular. Conveniently transform this telescope into a portable monocular for on-the-go stargazing adventures. 5x extender. With a 5x extender, this telescope offers an impressive maximum magnification of 875 times, providing unparalleled views of distant celestial objects. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like. And if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.